Hey guys, so I just downloaded the Battlefield 4 DLC and I just got in the freaking thing. Oh my god, the thing lifts. Oh my god, the thing in the front lifts. This is amazing. Yeah, I had to record. This is the funniest thing ever. I'm in first person mode. Oh god, there's an enemy tank. I'm not gonna go that way. Let's go this way. There's boost. Holy crap, it's got good speed. This is just gonna be a short video of me messing around in this. This is so fun. Oh god, a tank just hit me. No. Oh shit, I just drove through something. Woo! God, oh god, no. Stay away from me, helicopter. I can't defend myself. It's not fair. Yeah, I'm gonna end it there, guys. Goodbye.